Welcome back to me helping you build a gaming PC. This time we're talking about something really cool, pun intended, the CPU cooler. The main decision is between a regular fan cooler and an all-in-one solution, an AIO. I decided to go for an AIO solution because it just looks much prettier and fits my build more perfectly. Those solutions are a little bit more on the pricier side, so if you're working on a budget, a regular fan cooler will be as good and totally fine for your PC. Modern coolers are really excellent and they will fit most situations. My choice fell on an AIO solution that has a freaking AMOLED display. It just looks so awesome that I didn't have to think twice. And the cooling capacity is more than okay for the build. Introducing the Tryx Panorama. 6.67-inch curved AMOLED screen, 372 ppi ultra high clarity, split screen display, quad core CPU, 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM for near zero resource usage. And it has a rotable display module. That's my choice of the CPU cooler. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Subscribe to the channel and watch the videos of the other components. Thank you for watching. This is Schnödel from Schnödel Studios. Goodbye.